Hey everybody, happy holidays. It is time for a new BJJ Box unboxing. It is the Christmas time, so this one just came in, I think like 2 days ago, but I've been swamped with testing and everything else, so I haven't had a chance to break this bad boy open. So let's go ahead and do that live with you guys all right now. So I have my trusty cold steel Spartan knife. This is actually a pretty awesome knife. I actually won from the Martial Arts Research Systems Mars Challenge, so it was a knife fighting tournament that we did, and this was part of the a raffle, and this is actually probably one of the first things I've ever actually won in a raffle. So using this today for our unboxing. It is super sharp. It also has a really cool design and shape to it. I'll get a couple pictures of that for you guys to check out. Otherwise, it goes over here with the Christmas tree. All right, and let's see what's in this month's BJJ Box unboxing. Ooh, more bubble wrap. You know how we like that stuff. All right, first item, we have Green Theory Probiotic Neptune-based deodorant. Let's see. Can't really smell anything. I don't know if it has a smell or not. It says it is natural ingredients, probiotic, smelling fresh, aluminum-free, non-toxic, and it's a probiotic. Freshens pits and peace of mind. So Green Theory deodorant. What else do we got? Let's move on. We have face wash from the Ballsy Company. Callow clay and activated charcoal. Let's see. This is paraben, sulfate-free, and dye-free. Cleanse and invigorate your skin with this purifying daily face wash formulated to keep your money maker clean of dirt, oil, and whatever else your day has in store. So we now have some facial clean. Cool. What do we got here? The Complete Crunchy Cookie, Lenny and Larry's chocolate chip plant-based cookies. 160 calories, and they're chocolate chip. I will try them out for you guys on camera because I do love chocolate chip stuff. All right, moving on. We got an ankle sleeve. These are always useful, especially when it comes to jiu-jitsu. So this is from the company ProTech. ProTech Athletics ankle sleeve. I ordered a large. I kind of have big feet, size 12. So, and that's simply what it is. Slide your heel through, toes come through here, and it's just going to support your ankle, maybe for like some kickboxing or some light footwork. Moving on. Sack spray, neutralize odor. All right, so another thing from that Ballsy Company. They got some crazy names. I think they're pretty funny. What else do we got here? Oh, a little bit about the Green Theory natural products. So we'll put that right there from the BJJ Box. Oh, look at that. Doo-doo. Doo-doo. Card time. All right, and this is our November box. The BJJ Box. Okay, I haven't gotten to the shirt yet, so that's what I'm looking at. The sack spray, 15 bucks. Let's see, bodyguard for ladies. So there was I guess if they had a difference if you were a guy or girl, because they have a boob guard one for ladies, and then you had the face wash. We have that's $10. Face wash is $10. The Green Tree is $9 for deodorant. Holy crud! And $1.25 for cookies, and then the VIP is the ankle for 12 bucks. Cool. All right. Let's go ahead and get out our shirt, box up our box. Before I do the shirt unveiling, don't forget everybody, if you use the code JD BJJ, you can get a percentage off of your very first box, whether it's the BJJ Box, the crate, you name it, you pick it, but you're going to get a discount because they hooked me up with that code, and I like to share with you guys. All right, cookies, there we go. Here we got the shirt. It's gray this time, and we have tap, snap, or nap. And of course, if you're in the world of jiu-jitsu for more than, I don't know, a month, you've heard this saying or statement, probably seen the clothes and all the fun stuff. So there we have that. Pretty simple, but clean and to the point. Well, cool, guys. I promised I would try out these cookies. So let's do that. Let's try out these cookies. So they're chocolate chip, they're little mini cookies. They're good. I would eat these normally. These are fine. It tastes like chocolate chip. You don't have any weird aftertaste or nothing. Yeah, they're good. Plant-based, 4 grams of fiber, vegan, 0 sugar, no egg, no dairy ingredients, no soy. Pretty good. Let's say 6 grams of protein per 4 grams of fiber, 6 grams of protein. Not bad. I would eat these, definitely. These are good. You made it to the end of the video, you know what to do. Hit that like button if you're liking the content. Go ahead and drop in the comments what you think of my new little area to do some of this in. I thought it'd be kind of fun to kind of mix it up, change it up for you guys. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you like the videos that you see us putting out here at the Martial Art Unlimited Association, and of course from my gym, Keishidojo Martial Arts Unleashed. And then last but not least, go ahead and hit that bell icon, a ding ding, so you know when the next video is coming out from myself and all the other instructors here at the Martial Art Unlimited Association. Before I go, we did have a contest on the last video, and I said we would do the drawing for this video. We only had 1 entry though, okay? So if you guys want to win the cool stuff, you got to enter into the contest. So, Charles, you are the champ this time, so see me in class, and I will hook you up with the Tatami Thinker Monkey bag, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Awesome. Stay safe, keep training, keep your hands up. This is JD, and I'm out.